Do your actions reflect your beliefs, or are they just words? Actions speak louder than words. Epictetus, one of the most influential Stoic philosophers, encapsulated the essence of Stoic practice in his timeless quote, "Don't explain your philosophy. Embody it." This statement is not just a directive but a challenge to live in alignment with your principles. It is a call to focus on action over rhetoric and to practice what you preach. This explanation will provide insights into Stoicism's core tenets, actionable advice for embodying your philosophy, and a strategy to align your actions with your values. Whether you're a seasoned Stoic or new to the philosophy, this guide will inspire you to live a life of integrity and purpose. The Stoic philosophy of action over words. Stoicism is a philosophy of practicality. It emphasizes living in harmony with nature, focusing on what you can control, and cultivating virtues like wisdom, courage, justice, and self-discipline. While words and teachings are important, Stoics believe that true wisdom lies in action. Epictetus's quote challenges us to internalize our philosophy so deeply that it becomes visible in our behavior. This means 1. Living by example. Your actions should reflect your beliefs without the need for verbal justification. 2. Demonstrating virtue. Instead of explaining what virtue means, show it through courage, kindness, and self-control. 3. Avoiding hypocrisy. There's no room for double standards in Stoicism. If you preach resilience, you must demonstrate it in adversity. Why Stoicism values action. 1. Words are easily dismissed. Philosophical discussions can be abstract and disconnected from real life. Actions, on the other hand, are tangible and relatable. 2. Integrity is measured by consistency. Stoics value harmony between thought, word, and deed. Inconsistency erodes credibility and undermines the philosophy. 3. Influence through example. Living your philosophy inspires others far more effectively than explaining it. People are drawn to those who practice what they preach. Embodying your philosophy. To embody your philosophy means to integrate Stoic principles into every aspect of your life. It's about being a living testament to the philosophy you hold dear. Consider these key aspects. 1. Self-discipline and control. Stoics teach that we can only control our own thoughts, actions, and attitudes. By embodying this principle, you demonstrate resilience, focus, and self-mastery. 2. Acceptance of fate. Instead of lamenting over life's challenges, embrace them as opportunities to grow. This acceptance reflects your belief in the Stoic principle of fate. 3. Virtue as the highest good. Stoics prioritize virtue above all else. Embodying your philosophy means striving for wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance in all situations. How to embody your philosophy, a Stoic's guide. Step 1. Understand your core beliefs. To live your philosophy, you must first define it. Reflect on these questions. What does virtue mean to you? How do you prioritize what you can control versus what you cannot? How do you approach challenges and adversity? Step 2. Practice daily reflection. Reflection is a cornerstone of Stoicism. Use techniques like journaling. Write about your actions and whether they align with your values. Evening review. Ask yourself, what did I do well today? What could I improve? Step 3. Act with intention. Every action should be deliberate and aligned with your principles. For example, when faced with anger, practice patience and self-control. In moments of difficulty, focus on courage and resilience. Step 4. Lead by example. Stoicism is not about preaching, it's about doing. Whether at work, home, or in your community, let your actions inspire others. For example, if you value honesty, always tell the truth, even when it's uncomfortable. If you value kindness, extend it even to those who oppose you. Step 5. Cultivate resilience. Adversity is the ultimate test of philosophy. Use challenges as opportunities to practice Stoic principles like fortitude, acceptance, and perspective. Step 6. Embrace humility. Living your philosophy doesn't mean you're perfect. Stoics acknowledge their flaws and work continuously to improve. Admit mistakes, learn from them, and recommit to your values. Real-life examples of Stoic embodiment. Marcus Aurelius. As a Roman emperor, Marcus Aurelius faced immense pressure, yet he consistently practiced Stoic virtues. His meditations reveal a commitment to humility, discipline, and service. He didn't just write about Stoicism, he lived it every day. Viktor Frankl. Though not a Stoic, Viktor Frankl embodied many Stoic principles during his time in Nazi concentration camps. His ability to find meaning and maintain dignity in the face of unimaginable suffering is a testament to living one's philosophy. In an age dominated by social media and constant noise, the authenticity of living your philosophy is more powerful than ever. Consider these benefits. 1. Credibility. People trust those who practice what they preach. 2. Inspiration. Your actions can motivate others to reflect on their own values and choices. 3. Inner peace. Living in alignment with your philosophy brings clarity and fulfillment. Epictetus's wisdom challenges us to focus less on verbal explanations and more on practical application. By embodying your philosophy, you not only enrich your own life but also inspire others to live with purpose and integrity. So, the next time you're tempted to explain your beliefs, pause and ask yourself, how can I show them instead? Live your philosophy, and let your actions speak volumes.